are tested for some weight, though. That's what they got to do. Some of the guys people on it, they're trying to put weight on it. Hey, you forgot somebody. This guy's supposed to
No,
part of the
no,
weight.
he has no, because for them to run this, they have to have people on the track on the stations
Oh,
to
do they?
guard the stations because of people coming up and ask.
Ah, okay. So as long as the train's
Oh, this is a
going,
long train.
yeah. So as long as the train's going through the station, they have to have people on the platform loading on.
What's wrong with this one?
Oh, they've got two of them attached together. They're testing the polling to see if it can do it.
Normally it's only
because this is a different.
yeah.
train.
Normally it's only supposed to be 7. This is 14.
Yeah, so they've got two actual sets of cars on one train. They must really want to see if it can pull that hill up there. Yep, that's what they're doing. Mechanic on the end of it. Ah. So that's what they're doing.